Hello everyone, welcome to How-FixIT. In this video I will show you how to replace hard drive or install SSD drive in Dell G7 7790. On the bottom cover of laptop, remove all screws with Phillips 1 screwdriver. Next, take a plastic tool and begin open the case of laptop. I recommend using a plastic tool so as not to damage the laptop case when you open it. Disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. As you can see, M2 SSD drive is already installed on this laptop, and you can also install hard drive or SSD drive. Dell G7 supports any SATA 3 HDD or SSD with 2.5-inch form factor. In the description I left link where you can buy new HDD or SSD for Dell G7. Also, in the description I left a link to a video where I explain the difference in types of SSD and hard drive between M2 SSD. Dell G7 has M2 slot for install M2 SSD, and if you decide to upgrade your M2 drive, I recommend watching this video. That's it, the hard drive installed, and now go to reassembly. When you start the laptop with new hard drive, you cannot find new partition, because new hard drive has a status of unlocated. Creating new hard drive is very simple. Go to the disk manager, then select unlocated drive from the list. From the drop-down menu, select New Simple Volume, then select volume size of memory from the new partition, then select File System, in my case that is NTFS, and give a name to the new partition. That's all, a new partition created and you can use it. I hope this video was useful to you. You were on How-FixIT, and see you guys next time.